Hi guys, it's me, Mar, and my brother Christopher, who is our special guest for today. Say hi.
Hi. And this is the part 1 didn't even work. And this is part 2.
Part 1 didn't even work, so we're just not gonna post it.
Yeah.
If you want me to post it, comment it down below, and we'll show you our epic fails.
Yep. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and Mar's channel.
Again, you don't have a channel.
Mar, I'm just gonna ask Dad to put it in my iPad.
That's not how it works, but okay.
In my iPad.
Okay. So first, to make slime, anything needs glue. Hashtag not sponsored by anything.
Okay, Mar, this time can I do the glue?
No, because this thing is way too heavy. You will tell me when to stop, okay?
Okay, I'm scared. I want mine to be tiny. Again, I like mine to be tiny. Yay, I want to be very tiny, yeah. Stop.
I already got glue on me.
Yeah.
And I want mine to be bigger.
Mine is smaller. Yours is bigger.
So we are officially done with the glue. And so you know, we did come prepared. Our hands are usually super duper hot. And so we have a bottle that's half filled with ice. Don't ask why we have it.
Yeah, and what I'm going to tell you why we have it. It's because if our hands get too sticky with the slime, we might need to get this and hold it.
Yes, for a second or two. Okay. Now we are going to use our colors. Let me guess, you want green.
Yep.
Okay, for you, we're going to do 1 drop.
Why?
Because you didn't like it last time. 2 drops, because that was too dark. So we're going to do 1 drop this time. Oh. Now for me, I like the color blue a lot, but I don't really want to have a light. But I really want to have a very, very, very light blue. So since our activator is already blue, we're just going to use that. And I might add a little teensy drop of my food coloring. But really quickly, I need to go get popsicle sticks.
Yep.
Hi guys, we're back again. So my brother just tried to put this in my slime when I clearly told him not to. So now my area is covered in blue food coloring. And then put a tiny little drop. It's very, very small.
Mine?
Because I'm not sure if the activator will be enough.
And guess what? Mine is already green. I'm gonna try to beat that.
Yes. Mine is already light blue.
Mine is already light green.
I wish it could be lighter though, but it's fine. As you can see, mine is blue.
As you can see, mine is green.
So now comes the very fun part. Actually making the slime. Put it down.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Okay. This is our activator, which is which is laundry detergent. Wow. As you can see, it's clearly not the color that I want it to be, but it's okay.
I wish it was a little more darker because I would love that. But my one
Try not to make a mess. Grace, you're already making a mess.
Why? I know that.
Try not to, because we don't want to have to clean everything up.
And you get it? You got more activator. You're still on the activator? I don't have any activators.
I just added more,
Why?
because my slime's bigger, and your slime is smaller. And if you were wondering, yes, over summer break, I am going to go back to Mexico.
Yep, and then we're gonna go on the beach.
He's only talking about the beach.
Yeah, you're gonna love the beach.
You need to stop mixing so gracefully. Grab it in one hand and mix it with the other.
I know.
And also stop mixing it so gracefully. You don't want to mix it that gracefully.
Why?
Because I don't want to turn into slime. I don't want to like last time where it failed. Remember,
Yep.
just a little bit more activator. I think this should make my slime almost ready and almost perfect. And if it doesn't, then I don't know what it will. And actually, I think I'm gonna just put it on the table, because I don't know how to mix it in the bowl, because the bowl is probably too small. So here goes nothing. Oh, I'm gonna regret this. Oh yes, I'm gonna regret this. I'm starting with not all of it. There's like half of it's still in the bowl. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done this here.
Ah!
Don't ask, Grace. Move this and put it over there.
I'm putting a little part. By the eyes. I'm gonna use more ice.
So this isn't good. So most of it has already turned into slime. Yes, that's good. But some of it still has not turned into slime, which isn't good. But we are going to make this work. We are going to fix it. Don't worry, everybody. Everything will be okay. This is a very effective way of mixing my slime.
Ah!
Oh no, I'm dripping. I'm dripping here, people. Drip, drip, drip.
Hey, why are you dripping?
I have some cool drip, you know.
And mine is starting to get like slime.
Mine too, kind of. I need to go get more activator grease and wash my hands.
Why is your slime a mess?
Because it can be. And you know what? We're going to clean the table anyways, okay? We'll be fine.
Mine is still in my bowl. Yours is outside your bowl.
I know that.
But how did you do that outside your bowl?
Just put it outside my bowl.
Mama.
Why did you leave them?
Because my clothes got dirty again.
This is what he's always saying. One drop of water on him and he'll start to cry. I need to get more activator. I'll be back, people.
More wine cup?
No. Now this time it shall be his pants. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. Okay. This should.
Want to put my activator in mine?
But I wasn't doing anything to your side. Why would you think that? He's on to it.
And you still know the secret base I built. Bah!
It's okay. It's okay. Oh gosh, I'm making a mess here. Yeah, I don't even know where I'm.
Give me some activator.
Yes, I can. Okay,
Why is it my stick?
because it's supposed to be on your stick. In this case, it's my finger. Yeah, the slime's. That I don't even know. It's gonna be some like car cleaning slime or something.
Ah, why?
This feels wrong. I'm sticking my hand in
I'm
Bill's
sick of my
laundry
hands.
detergent.
I sick of my hand. And why is almost all my slime is out of my bowl?
Please take your slime and put it on the table
Why?
because it's easier to mix. These bowls were way too small. Just put it on the table. Come on.
Scared.
No! Don't put them up. Take your slime and put it on the table. Your side of the table. So, yeah. There you go. See? Now you can see that you need some more activator. And start mixing it with your hands.
Yeah. I need help.
Both hands.
Ah.
Nice and great.
Ah.
And we also have our secret ingredient, lotion.
And I'm not liking this.
Oh my gosh, you're not supposed to like it, Grace. It's not done.
Wow. I don't like it when it mixes in out.
It's not so much.
This is not good because
Yep, we're just trying our best.
can I put the activator now? Mine's.
I think. Yeah, you just need to mix it like that in circles until it gets like together. Okay, and then mix it like that. Make sure you get all of it.
done? What's activated?
You're probably not. You probably are, but you need to get all these extra pieces of slime. It's like on the outside, you know?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Give me to be the biggest slime in the world.
Yeah, we put it on the table.
Okay, I think I'm done.
You think you're done?
These are not done. All of these are not done. You can't stick. I want to wash my hands. Be right back.
This slime is super stringy.
Mom,
Comment down below if
put
you know
the-
how to make it less stringy. It's like, what is this? It's like just water and brains or something. And it can barely mix with itself. Huh?
Mom, is yours done?
No. I still have a little bit more.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Well, I think I'm done with the activator. I'm done. I'm done with the activator. What? I need this now.
Yeah, that's our secret ingredient, lotion. You can start putting that inside.
Myself.
Sure.
Yay! Right now, I gotta make a bowl.
Okay, ready?
Oh. I'm just gonna cover it. No.
Why cover it? This is lotion to help our slime be a little bit more stretchy and play with them. Yeah, we're making a big mess.
Yeah, this is why you shouldn't do this at home.
We're doing this at home.
Mamma mia.
Wrap
Wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up. Give me some more activator, some more captivator, some more captivator. And give me some more lotion.
Oh my gosh, it's so weird.
Yeah, so weird. Let me stretch it.
I can't just feel like laying down and doing some more crochet.
You get what I mean? It's so hard. Oh. Okay, I think mine is done. Oh, a spot.
I'm gonna need a little bit more activator.
You need a little bit more? I need a little bit more too. You know
And
that.
a little bit more lotion.
I need a little bit more lotion.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
Mamma mia. Look my hands. Look my hands. Mamma mia. What? Okay.
Yes, this is working. Let's go. Okay, I don't know.
It's getting more stretchy.
Keep your slime on your side of our barrier.
What is so stretchy?
your side of the barrier.
Okay, let me move in.
This is getting really stretchy and really playable, and I love it.
Me too.
I think maybe Grease,
Sorry.
your side of the barrier.
Okay, let me move a little bit more.
I'm just gonna
Stretch so long.
Grease,
Sorry.
your side of the barrier.
Let me move a little more.
Don't make a big mess with it. This is your area. That's where you're meant to be.
Stretch. 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 Good. Stretch. Mars so sticky. No.
But my slime is almost ready. It's getting to that point. I feel like we need big stuff.
Bro, mine is so coming together. Yours too?
Yep.
Get back, little slimes.
You are so good.
I want to put it in a little tube. And I'm going to do that right now.
No, you're gonna have Mommy do that for you.
No, me.
Mommy! Mami. ¿Nos puedes ayudar un poco aquí? Okay, so now it's getting to that really pretty fancy point. Ayúdale a Chris.
¿Qué pasó?
Ayúdale a recolectar todo su slime. Le tienes que hacer así para recolectarlo.
Okay. ¿Ese funcionó?
Y mí también.
Solo que él necesita recolectar el suyo. ¿Le puedes ayudar un poco?
Yo creo ahí de
¿Por qué se le
ahora.
pega tanto a Chris todavía?
Oh, es porque la lotion. Mira, voy a poner lotion. Los dos.
Dile cómo.
¿Qué?
Dile cómo le haga.
Okay, you have to go in circles and circles and circles and go over here and like over here and grab all your slime.
About like this.
No, Chris, in circles because if not, you're gonna get it everywhere. Look at this arm.
Chris,
It's covered in your slime.
círculo. Círculo. No la aprietes, nomás así. Ándale. ¿Ya ves?
Ok, ahora yo creo que está listo. Este no está listo yet. Oh,
Algo le falta a la de Chris.
Sí.
uno tú.
Chris, en la mesa.
Push. That's not fair. Getting a little more and more lotion.
Yeah, you got a lot of lotion.
Oh yeah, that's why. Collect
You got a lot of lotion.
Help. Do hold this.
No, yo no quiero llenar. Así, revuélvela, Chris, así.
Todos estos no están listos.
Okay, Chris, here's a trick. Put your hand and take your fingers and dip them in here and then put it in and start just mixing it up like that.
I gotta walk over so I can do it.
Ujú.
Please, on your side.
I'm just trying to stretch it. Uno tube, please. Pon uno tube. Dame uno tube. ¿Por qué? Yo quiero ponerlo a mi room.
Sí, Cris.
I need to wash my hands.
Mar, ¿qué le falta a la de Cris? ¿Por qué se le pegan las manos?
Sus manos están
por-
calientes.
Dios mío.
Lo que él necesita es poner sus manos en el vaso.
Ya puse a secar la ropa.
Necesita frío.
De todas maneras se está pegando demasiado, Mar. Cris, ¿qué buscas, Cris?
Uno tube. For mi slime.
Un topper.
Ahorita te
Well,
voy.
guys, this was our slime video. Ta-da! I don't know what you might want to do with this. Prank your mom, maybe. But yeah,
Ahorita,
this is my
Cris.
slime, which is
No.
super stretchy and fluffy, and look, I can even do some ASMR with it. So yeah,
¿Dónde está el activero? No
le puedes